nation building. They're talking about FDIs, foreign direct investment. So they don't want investment coming in from abroad, either directly or through entrepreneurs or to startups or SMEs, right? They don't want that. But if they fail to realize the potential and fail to communicate whatever available assistance from the government, this is an issue that you guys are facing, right? From the supply side, the demand from the government is there, but it seems that there's a miscommunication somewhere. Perhaps there are grants, there are loans available, I believe, for both Indonesia and Malaysia, provided by respective ministry of the nation, right? And that, for example, apa ni tadi you mentioned Fashion Valley Bront, right? I'm sure they will have, sorry, not sorry. I know you are listening. We are sorry, but we're not sorry. Yeah, I mean, these guys, they need help from the government, but the government are not listening. This is what we are saying.
It's a syndrome Dato, I call it.
Syndrome Dato. Yeah. Di Indonesia juga ada ya, syndrome sama ya. Syndrome Dato.
No, like Dato.
Wali kota.
Like being in a coffee shop and love people like giving advice without actually knowing the problem. Like you guys should do this, do this. It's like that. Life. Like when my time, you do this. So it's a syndrome Dato. You don't even know the actual landscape. You don't even know the actual problem, and you're coming from your high horse telling us this and that, and thinking that is the real solution when it's not.
And they are not even the subject matter expert.
And you allocate billions and hundreds of millions thinking that's the real solution, but it's not.
Yeah, but because we see the potential of the solution is there.
Okay, some Dato marah already.
No, we do see the potential of